Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BISSELL 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum. This vacuum is a game changer for pet owners, and here's why. First off, every purchase of this vacuum saves pets. That's right, BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and their mission to help save homeless pets. So not only are you getting a top-of-the-line vacuum, but you're also making a difference in the lives of animals. And the Lift-Off detachable pod feature allows for convenient portable cleaning. This 2-in-1 design makes it easy to tackle those hard-to-reach spots where pet hair and allergens like to hide. Speaking of pet hair, the Tangle-Free brush roll actively prevents hair wrap, saving you time and frustration during cleaning. Plus, the HEPA-sealed allergen system traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, so you can breathe easier in your home. The lightweight design and swivel steering make it easy to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles, while the One-Touch Easy Empty feature keeps pet hair out of your filters and off your hands when it's time to empty the tank. With all of these features and more, the BISSELL 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum is a must-have for pet owners. So if you're ready to make your life easier and support a great cause, click the link in the description to get your hands on this vacuum today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Happy cleaning!